Welcome to Master of Realms. I want to introduce you with the character of Master of Realms, the Hunter. Let's see how you can use this character to see the world with his eyes. Firstly, go to the toolbox and select Character. Here you will find the Hunter. Select that and place it anywhere you want. Just like other objects, by pressing R, you can rotate the character also, whole 360 degrees. And also able to increase the size of it as much as you want. After setting it up, press the I or Possess Character option here. Just after that, you will jump into the character's body and able to see the world with his eye. Isn't it cool? Explore the possibilities with Master of Realms Hunter. Coming soon on Steam. Wishlist now.